Hello and welcome to this new video on how to get discount in Temu. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open a web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a source bar. Click on the source bar and type Temu and press enter. After that, the source result will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first source result, that is Temu, and the interface will be open. And in order to get discount, firstly in their first homepage, if there is any discount, then they will show you as shown in the screen, as it says falls and winter saving up to 70%, and you can just click there and shop and you will get a 70% discount. Or you can also look in the navigation bar, there is falls and winter savings, and you can just click there and you will be able to see the product that has currently discounts, and you can just buy and you will also get a discount. And another way to get discount is you can just go to the right hand side of the navigation bar, there is orders and account button, just click on there. And when that section appears, you just have to look in the left hand side, there are list of multiple things, and you just have to scroll down until you see coupons and offers. You can just click there and you just need to enter your coupon code or apply, or you can also get a sales service coupon code. So, and after that you will be able to find the coupons, and you will be able to use the coupons in order to get the discount. So this is how you can get discount in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.